Here's a 2019 GMC Yukon XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry even more in this Yukon XL. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Great deals, great service, and great people. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.